criminal guys, oh, making look at to. See, he's always stalk my the owner of this. Who? The owner of this one, the criminal. This one on the criminal owner. That is criminal. Come in the Philippines. Your case is already ready. Come here, and I will show you who you are. Oh, look at oh. Imagine guys, oh. He is the one stalking in me, and he's recording in my live stream. Oy, what you think on me? I'm not a cheap. Why? Look at also your friend. Also your friend, like ordering on online. So they are also cheap. Oh, imagine they're also cheap because I'm ordering in online in TikTok. So don't you dare that TikTok is a legit. So you're a stupid. You know what? You are a stupid because imagine ha, you said ha, guys, be careful of this man. This one. Be careful of this, oh. Oh, imagine, oh. He was live, oh. What a crazy mentality, psychopath, this one man, oh. This one, oh. Imagine, oh. That one, oh. A mentality, a psycho, wanted cybercrime, criminal. It's making what you call that, this kind of a old guy is had a criminal. What kind of a criminal? Malicious misuse, bullying on me at PWD. Oh. Oh. Oh, tapos niingon siya. Oh. Kay yeah, my live stream yang recording ha, gi-record niya akong live stream, oh. Tanawa ra, oh. Oh, Republic Act, oy. Tanawa, come here and I will, the case will be ready for you. Come in the Philippines. Come, lady boy. Come. The owner of this, oh, imagine, oh, he recorded me and then he posts his community. This kind of a criminal, that one, the criminal. I call him criminal. Come in the Philippines. Come. I'll challenge you. Oh, look at oh. And then he made a channel that putting my name, and then oh, only a minutes, and then only also a minutes he posts. So the owner of that, and this, the owner of that, that's one, the lady boy with no take a shower, with no dirty, always in the basement, only that one, oh, that one in the basement. This is a cheap rental house. Also, he had no money to, oh, only a second, oh, second, and then we go to here. Oh, obvious is there in my background recording on it. So you said to me, I'm ordering with a chip. So you're also your friend Filipina. They are also, you never know your Filipina friend. They are also like what you call that, ordering in online, especially in TikTok. Oy, don't tell, I will report you in the TikTok that you said that that my order is a chip. I will report you there. I will tell that I already record this. I tell that you say that I are ordering the chip, oh, don't tell that to the TikTok because TikTok is very legit. So, magbantay ka. Legit na oy, legit. So, ayaw pag-ingon nga chip na kay imong mga friend, your friend also ordering in TikTok. Oh. Come in the Philippines. Criminal, come. I know you be scared because the case will be ready for you. You would like that the same on your friend? Look at your friend. I give her a chance. With you, no more chance. Okay? Come in the Philippines. The case is already for you. It's not a making up a story. It's positive that you, oh, look at you. Cybercrime. The cybercrime is already record everything on it, on you.
Ang iyang kaso,
Oo.
unjust decision o malicious mischief kung paras kang mistisa. Bullying. Trial court.
Mo gani.
Ang pulis, dili ang pulis.
Mo gani akong gingon, may pa akong mama kay nihatag na dayon og kuan. You look like you same of my friend. Come in the Philippines, come. Let's see how the stronger you are. Come in the Philippines. Come. Come in the Philippines. Because this one, oh, very, very positive. Oh, look at your friend. She doing also like this, and what she got. And then you keeping said, I lost the case. No, I'm not losing the case. I give a chance for it. So, we have a visitor here. So, like, digid ka magkuan. Come. I challenge you. Come in the Philippines. I know you're scared. Come. I know you're scared. You cannot come here because you said, oh, Princess, it's had a case for me. Come. So that you can hit your butt and kick your ass in the jail. Come. So that you will be the same of your friend. Your friend, I give a chance. You, no more chance. You got me? Come in the Philippines. Come. Kay, pasalamat pagani mo kay ako tamong gitagaan og kuan. Chance. Daon sa man inyo ni against man mo gihapon. Against man. Wa man gihapon ni kuan. Ako ni violet sa mga tinuman, sa mga kuan. Dili man ni maing-ani ba kung walay magkuan-kuan. Why nagsulsul-sulsul? Na may nagsulsul. Come diri lagi kay para magkapari. Ali dire, come in the Philippines. Kay na nagready na ang mga kuan.